Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I have discussed next past video and how to create node in start editor method. So today I will discuss about how to create member incident between two nodes. So now let's start from this project. First of all, select new project and select space here, and first selection this foot and kilo, pound, millimeter and kilogram, what's needs in selection, and go to next. Okay, then what need this here, add beam, add plate. So finish add beam, and look at this here, the graphical method, but I want member incident. So first of all, here the start editing, go to start editor and just here the space, start job information, engineering date and end job information, and input width. You have provide only 79 width, just not the above, and enter, provide the space and click the paste now. Actually basically first of all I have created the unit input. So first of all, unit, right now unit space millimeter, meter, right now meter, and kilo Newton. Okay, so I have provided the unit, meter, and the second thing is joint. You whatever make the joint, and just like same node, and here provide member incident, one member incident, just 2 to 5 and 0, 2 to 8 and 0, second node, third node 4 8 0, fourth node 4 6 0, and sixth node 5 node 6 6 0, and sixth node 6 5 0. Same thing I have provided the member incident, one member incident between two joint. So 1 to 2, second joint 2 to 3. Okay, you concentrate right now. Third member 3 to 4, right. Fourth member 4 to 5, sixth member 5 member 5 to 6. If you give any other member, so like 7 space 8 space 12 space 0, then semicolon. I have provided semicolon. Then here the member incident. What member incident? The member incident is number of 6 space. The member incident is 6 space. What is member 6 space 7? If you again provide the other joint, so right now 8 space again 14 and space 16, then z direction is 0. Okay, then semicolon. Right, same thing I have provided the here just space I will provide right now member incident, and again semicolon, right, then space, and what is the member number is 7 and start member 7 to 8, right, then semicolon. If you want another step in node, so I have provided actually right now space here, and same thing is here again space, and right now then another go to here 9 joint and space 18, then space 20. It's not the 20 is here, take 24, then comma 0, then semicolon. Next thing is join the member here. Select again go to space and member incident is 9, no, member incident is 8, and join to 9, no, join to 8 space 9, then semicolon. So like you can see here I have provided the many number of nodes and number of members. Then I have saved this here, save this incident and go to now see this the see our provide the member incident and how to join the member between two and now if you want to delete here, so if you delete and remove the node, and if you again delete, so also remove the node here. So it is very easy for joint between member. If you want delete, so then otherwise do not delete, so create the member also. So here just click on save here and go to member incident. So right now here the member incident between two nodes. Basically what I am provide according to here the joint. This is one joint, second joint, third joint, fourth joint, five joint, six joint. Here called member. This is called member. This is called member, and also this is called member. So it means just here showing the member also, and this is called node. The joint is node. This joint is node. This joint is node, and this joint is node. So it means today I have discussed about member incident, how to join between two join between one member, then also again two join between one member, then also again two join between one member. So it is as complete for member incident, and go to here, just click this start editor, and how to make the member incident. If you increase the any node, if you increase any node, I think 7 and 8, and again I will click the 8 and 7 incident, again I click the 10, right, 10 and 0. It's complete the semicolon, and the same thing is here what 6 incident, and how many joint, 6 and 7, then semicolon. I can okay, save this here and go to right. Look at this, the line, the member incident is here. So here this type of member incident to move here. And so the view, number of nodes, and structure diagram, and select the label, click the node point, and okay. See here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then if you want show the display in distance, so here the display distance, if you look at this here, this is 29 9 2 2000 it's mean distance between 1 2 3 4 5. So it's a very now this not working of the load, because this is called only for the node distance. This is called journal member distance. So I have now this is complete for member incident, how to create the member between two nodes. So today has been complete for session. Thank you.